Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's March 27th, 2021. I'm still up at Hilltop Park in Long Beach. It's around 12:30 in the afternoon. Take a look here, guys. These guys are non-stop. I'm surrounded right now by families that are wearing the muzzle, and I can't. It really is hard to watch. They don't know what they're doing to themselves. Nobody's telling them. Thank you, mainstream news, for not telling them. You sick, twisted freaks. Look at this guy's low, man. Let me regroup. Yeah, it's getting harder every day to witness these people wearing this muzzle for so long. They're gonna be sick and they don't know it. They think they're protecting their family, and it's just the saddest thing, you know. They think they're doing the right thing, and the news is not telling them any different. And the radio, it's sickening. Every commercial, make sure your mask is snug to your nose and mouth. It's amazing how the media is just totally taken over and become so evil. I'm sure they always were, but this is just, I can't listen to the radio, I can't do anything. The billboards are all ridiculous, telling people to wear that stupid mask. And then you got these rectum pimples up here screwing up our air. That was pretty gross, sorry. But look at them. I don't know how much of this I gotta show before people get it. A lot of us are doing this. Alright. Oh, I can't do this anymore. Alright, I'm out.